Hi. Yeah, hi. Hi. Are you happy to see me? Yes, you are. Aren't you? Hey, maybe. Come here. Come here. Hi, puppy. How's the big doggy? Hi, big doggy. Hi, big doggy. Who else is here? Come here, Taurus. There's my truck. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. How's my girl? Hey, how's my girl? Such a pretty girl. Hey. There's my bus. There's where I work.
Yeah, pretty neat. And then we just finished up a really
That's
nice
my boss, Tim.
for Peter Wall at his farm too. So and the